Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review, unboxing, and show you how to cut these DAYBETTER LED lights. So this is everything you get in the box. You get a remote. Make sure you remove this little plastic to activate the battery on the back. Here's what we can plug the lights into. This is the connectors. This is the power supply. So we're going to plug this into a wall. Then you're going to plug this into this right here. Then you're going to plug the LED lights into these right here. This is the infrared remote. So make sure this is pointing out somewhere so that the infrared remote can see it. It has to be able to have a line of sight. Okay, so here's the end of the LED light that you're going to plug into here, but we got to make sure we line up these arrows. So there are some really important arrows there and on the strip. See that strip, that LED, that arrow on the strip? You're going to follow that all the way to that pin. Then that pin's going to line up with that pin right there. Then you simply put them in, it just snaps in. Lining that arrow up with that arrow is very important. Now I'm going to show you, let's turn them on, then I'll show you how to cut them. This cord's about 3 feet long, and I'm going to go plug this into a wall outlet. Okay, now I can point to the remote and change the color. Okay, so let's unwind it and see what the other end looks like, and then I'm going to show you how to cut it. Okay, so I unwound it. There's not a connector on the end. Here's what the end looks like. Now it does make it easier to get the two, that's got the two-sided tape on it, but it just has that part right there. So you cannot connect this one to the end of this one. But now let's show you how to cut it. Make sure power is off. You're gonna find that same spot right there. Now see where the copper is? I gotta cut straight through the copper, right in the middle. Now let's test it, make sure it still works. Yep, still works. All right, let's unplug it. Now, let's say you try to cut it in between two LED lights. Let's cut it here where that copper is not. Let's plug it in. What's gonna happen is that last segment, so see how the rest of the lights work, but that last segment's not gonna work till the next copper segment. So you have to cut it on that copper segment. All right, let's try to find, so the LED lights are about 3 inches apart. Let's measure from copper segment to copper segment. It's about 19.5 inches. Okay, so when we peel this back, that's the double-sided tape on the back. That's what it looks like. Now let me show you a trick for doing 90-degree angles. So you're gonna start at a 90-degree angle. Now you can't do it where there's an LED light, so you have to do it kind of close or kind of far away from the actual LED light, but then just kind of fold it onto itself, even expose the sticky, so make a 90-degree angle like that. Now don't smash that too much, then you can continue on. Now let's see if it still works. Yep, we made our 90-degree angle, and just peel this off as you go the back siding. And again, here's kind of a close-up of the remote of what it can do. We can do strobe, flash, smooth. We can change the color to whatever color we'd like, and change the brightness also. We can have it go dim or bright. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.